Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. Today I want to show you the Nourish and Flourish kit. It is so adorable. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it comes with this amazing, cute little lunch bag. It's insulated, so its purpose is a lunch bag, but I love the fact that I could put my crafting supplies in here and take it to retreats or whatever. So you could fit a stamp set in there, some dies, your scissors, your adhesives, all kinds of goodies will fit in this nice big thing. And then of course, plus some snacks. When I create, I like to have chocolates. But this kit has the bag and it has all the materials to make these beautiful cards. So you'll make 3 of each cards. This one here, I'm just so lucky to know you. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read this one here. I'm just so lucky to know you. Oh, same cards. I'm showing the same cards. This one here, hello, just saying hello. And where's the other card? I didn't realize I was showing the same cards. I appreciate you more than you know. Here's the other one. So these are the 3 cards that you'll make. And then you can customize them however you like. These I think I made according to the kit, but you can see this one I did a little different. I put my stripe the other direction. But adorable kit. If you want to get yours, just shop on my link. I will list it right below this video. And of course it has the instructions. It comes with the glue dots. It comes with the these pretty little pearls. A really cute kit. The pearls, the dimensionals, the glue dots. Oh, and then the envelopes. And look at how cute. They're all, you get 3 of each. And they have the different colors to coordinate with the cards. So pretty lined envelopes as well. This is an adorable kit. If you have any questions, just let me know, but you can order it on my shopping link. Thank you guys. You take care.